guys can't wait to see in the dare video. Hey, are you excited about the dare video? I'm not as excited because we're going to be forced to do things that we don't want to do. And the boss says you're supposed to comment your dares down below. So I guess that's what you're supposed to do? Okay, so I'm very disappointed about this dare video. I don't want to be doing crazy things. Sorry about the zoom in. Well, I gotta go. Don't you really think that it's a bad idea doing the dare video? Because it's gonna be difficult. And yeah. But yeah, comment down your dares. Comment your dares. Hi. So you want to know something cool about each of us? We all represent a different gem. Our gems will be quoted to you in the description below. I can't wait to see you in the video. Hello. So you might be wondering, why am I here? And why am I all white? Well, we don't choose our colors. I'd rather be all black. Hi. So I'm the last one. But yes, there is going to be a dare video. And we're smaller than we appear in this video. The boss just did us bigger so we're easier to see. So, can't wait to see you in the dare video. Bye.